Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Hation by Shirogorov Custom Division here with me for a maintenance video, and let's see if we can try to clean it up and improve the super smooth action. You see, it's not dropping shot because the blade is like pretty light, but the action is super smooth. But we're gonna try to clean this guy up. So because this is a Shirogorov Custom Division, it's using these tools, these bits, and you're gonna need a Shirogorov Custom Division pen with the right bit to take care of the maintenance and disassembly of this guy, because that's the bit you're gonna need. And in the regular tool like that, you just got the like the classic bits, which are these, which are not gonna work. So keep that in mind. So you're gonna need this and that to take this guy apart, and make sure you just orient that in the right position, which is this one. Just make sure it's in, and boom. And magically this guy is gonna come off with no stress and no issues whatsoever. So that is done. Change the bit, which is gonna go here, and boom, and back to the pivot right over here, and gently take your time, just be gentle, no need to rush. Just unscrew this beauty which goes here, and let's just take this guy apart very, very gently, like so, and this guy pops open beautifully. You've got nice backspacer anodized. You've got some nice and clear milling, roller bearing. Let's just clean everything in here, like so. So very, very nice. This is 30 made, guys. There's only 30 of these Hation being made. It's a very cool custom division. Very, very well done. Nice weight reduction on the inside. I'm just not gonna touch anything because that looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna pop the blade with some of the, let's just do this side over here. There's yeah, one bearing left right over there, and the blade is here. We're just gonna clean that up in a second. Let's do this first. I'm just gonna, you know, like kind of like soak this guy in with a couple drops of rubbing alcohol, like so. Yeah, that should do it. Like that, nice and soaked. It's gonna, let's just get it into the rollers. Let's just remove the pivot here for a second, and let's do these guys as well. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna try to do this, like cleaning with the bearings in. Of course, this guy doesn't want to go, but let's just do it like that. So, because like that you can roll them, and actually you can actually clean them. If you soak the cloth, you just roll them around, they're gonna become pretty clean because they roll. So you just move them around with enough, and boom, done. Let's clean the blade, the socket, the track for the cage, and yeah, it needed some cleaning for sure. Boom, and that is done. We clean the scale, the inside of the pivot, like so. Beautifully done. And you can just dry this off. There's a little bit of grease left, and now we are in business. That's some pretty cool stuff. All right, so we're gonna start from show side because that's the keyed in part. So make sure you just put the pivot in, and just this is indented, so boom, see, keys in like that with the ball bearings. Just do that, and then you take the bearings which are gonna go in, and then you take a little bit of 10 weight non-oil, 1, 2, and 3, and just Spread it around. Take your blade, which goes in nicely like that. This time, you know what, we can do this because we have the opportunity to do 1, 2, and 3 again, and that's gonna be nicely spread around. Let's just do the backspacer in, which is keyed in as well. And let's just center everything. And that is in place. So we're gonna go backwards and do this handle screw. We're gonna tune it in a second. Let's just change this. Let's check that everything is in place. Nice. This is a really cool one, guys. So here, just make sure you match the orientation of the screw like so, which goes in like that and screws in directly into the scale. So just be really nicely, guys, with this one. You don't want to do anything rushed, and make sure, yeah, this is in the right place and screwed in beautifully. Okay, so this guy is snappy. Wow. There's no blade play. Let me see if we can do a little bit less. Blade is centered. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there was a little bit of gunk. Very cool indeed. Super smooth. There's no, like, see, it doesn't drop shut. You need to wiggle a little bit, but that's the nature of this blade because it's light and small. So it is fantastically smooth indeed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.